morning everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I would just pick up my camera and vlog again. I really enjoyed the style of filming that I did last time where it was semi sit down, semi vlog. It was very laid back but still structured a little bit, so I thought I would do it again. I'm just sitting down to do my morning skincare and I thought I would do another... Oh, and the sun is trying to make an appearance. Sorry about this, let me move up a little closer. And I thought I would chat through today's skincare because I mentioned in my last video that I personally don't do the same exact skincare every single day. It really depends on what my skin needs. So today I feel like my skin is pretty moisturized. It doesn't need an overwhelming amount of moisturizer, but I do feel it's been a bit dull lately. I also sprouted this guy, I don't know where he came from, overnight last night. I'm pretty sure it's because my mom put this oil on my face that I told her I didn't want, and then she was like, no, trust me, it's gonna work, and it didn't work. Mothers. So to be fair, it's worked really well on her skin, so I can understand why she came to that conclusion. But yeah, so today I wanted to just kind of ramp up on like vitamin C and stuff because I do have like darkness on my cheeks, like you can see it over here in the hollows of my cheeks, and then of course my always problem area like around my mouth and stuff. So I thought I would show you. I'm using the Origins collection. This is another tried and true product or like series, or what do you call it? This is like another tried and true, it's not really the company, what is it, brand? Yes, brand. And specifically this collection, the brand, I absolutely love it. So I'm starting off with the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to Brighten and Depuff. So this is just like a little sample one. I actually don't have this eye cream, but let's see if I like it and if I want to make a purchase of it. Looks quite cool. Next, I'm going in with my Origins Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Okay, and then as the final little spritzer, I'm going to use the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Treatment Lotion Mist. I don't need to tell you guys more about this because you already know how much I love this product. I even have a blog post on it where I review this, so I'll link it down below if you want a little bit more detailed description of it. But basically this is just perfect for, this is actually really good by itself as well, if you just want something really quick and hydrating but also protective when you're going outside and you can't be bothered with cream, because I personally hate the texture of cream on my fingers because I already have like very like sweaty hands and I feel like it just makes it so difficult. But yes, I'm gonna spritz this all over my face. Gonna air that out really quickly. What is this? I feel like I have a little Zayn hair going on here. I'm not cute enough to be pulling off a Zayn hair. So this is, I do need a little bit of lip balm, but this is pretty much the finished look. Finished look, it's not a look, finished updated skincare routine. Yeah. Okay, so I'm by my dresser and I'm getting ready for the day, and I thought I would share my little jewelry with you. I think this is what I'm gonna go with today. I don't know if it particularly suits this outfit, but we'll see. They're definitely a bit on the wacky side. I actually picked these up from Charlotte Russe last spring, I think, right before they went out of business. I've actually never been to Charlotte Russe. Except for that one time. That was the first time I'd gone to Charlotte Russe. So this is what it looks like. I can't tell if it really goes or not. Do you guys want to see the whole outfit? I feel like you do. This is my outfit for today. Ignore these little lines. It's because I have this on my rack in my closet and my rack has little lines on it, so my shelf. But this is my outfit today. This is a pair of shorts. I actually love these. It comes with a matching blazer. But yeah, and then I wanted a sweater. It's like actually a pretty fall look today, and I personally like it. I don't know if it goes together. Again, not a very figure flattering outfit. This does not, like, it's not very figure flattering, but I think it's a cool look. Time to go downstairs and work. Fun! Okay, now that I'm looking at myself in this camera, I'm like kind of unsure about these earrings. Let me know what you guys think about these earrings. I don't know. I can't decide if they go or not. The color definitely fits like the vibe because I feel like I'm going for like a bit of an autumnal look. The style is very summery. Reminds me like very Greek summer holiday situation. Anyways, it's a few hours later. I just came back from Trader Joe's and then I popped into my local farmer's market to pick up some food bits because I'm trying to eat healthy, you know? I don't know, it's getting to that point where I go through this like every few weeks or so where I just kind of get bored with whatever foods at home and I just want to change it up a little bit. Yeah, this is my little food haul. I thought I'd share it with you because I love seeing this stuff and I'm always nosy about what other people are eating. This is what I picked up. I think I'm gonna hold it up and show you, or no, maybe I'm just gonna take it down and show you. Hang on. First thing I picked up is this Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I love adding this to my oatmeal and making it a little bit more liquidy. Then I got the Trader Joe's miso vegetables and brown rice saute kit. Has brown rice, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, kale, carrots, and snow peas with a miso sauce. That sounded good. This looks really good. I'm a big fan of gnocchi, so I was excited to try this. This is the cauliflower gnocchi, and I just got 2 of those. Then I got organic free-range chicken breasts. This is actually for my brother. Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning blend. Thought that would be fun to play around with. Their Thai-style red curry sauce. General Tso's stir-fry sauce. Everything But the Bagel sesame seasoning blend. I absolutely love this. Ground cinnamon. So I actually got cinnamon from Farmer's Market, and that one just like didn't taste right. I feel like this one tastes so much better. This is like some private school going, Ivy League, lacrosse playing cinnamon. It tastes so good. Then I got this Green Goddess salad dressing with avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette. Picked up some strawberries, peeled and cut butternut squash, which is perfect for a roast. The Everything But the Bagel Greek style yogurt dip. Every single time I go there, they're always sold out of this, so I saw this and I was like, I need to get one. Whole milk, full fat yogurt. This plain organic whole fat to roast in the oven. Then for my farmer's market, I picked up some peppers, 2 cauliflowers, and some summer squash. I actually have a recipe idea. I want to try it with the cauliflower, which is why I picked it up. So of course I'm going to share it with you guys. But yes, this is my little grocery haul. Now to put everything away.